Installing Conexus is straightforward. First, you need to download the latest release either from Nexus Mods or GitHub, whichever you're most comfortable with. Either side will always have the latest release, although GitHub tends to get updated first. Once downloaded, you can put them anywhere as the installation is portable. Personally, I put them in Documents/Conexus. After extracting, start Conexus and he'll create folders in Documents/Conexus. That's the reason I put them in that location, so that everything is in one location. This unification is a new feature with version 1.3.0. All data related to how he operates will be saved in these various folders: Conexus/config, Conexus/data, Conexus/links, and Conexus/logs. Conexus/config stores the config INI, which saves user data. We'll go over that more in the video titled Understanding Config.ini. Conexus/data is where all generated data is stored, specifically all the information necessary for your mod list and the resulting order in Darkest Dungeons mods folder. Conexus/links is where the links text file is stored, which is specific to the list of links method, also detailed in another video titled Understanding Links.txt. As of version 1.3.0, all data generated specific to this method is also stored here. Conexus/logs is, as you would expect, where all logs are stored. Logs are also the subject of their own video titled The Improved Log. They've gotten quite a lot of attention as of version 1.3.0.